Have you ever woken up, looked down, and wondered why your morning erections aren't as strong as they used to be? It can feel confusing, sometimes even a little worrying. And if you're honest, it can affect how confident you feel as a man. You're not alone. Many men over 50 tell me the same thing in my clinic. They say, "Doc, I'm doing everything right." So why is this happening? And what surprises them most is that the answer is often simpler than they expect. Because your body has built-in switches, tiny pressure points that help regulate blood flow, nerve activity, and the relaxation response that supports healthy morning erections. Most men never activate them, but once you learn where they are and how to stimulate them correctly, something shifts. Your circulation improves, your pelvic nerves wake up, and your morning erections often become noticeably firmer within days. So let me ask you gently, what if the solution isn't another pill? What if your body already has the tools? It just needs the right signals. In the next part of this video, I'll show you 3 simple points you can press at home. They take less than 2 minutes, they're grounded in physiology, and they support stronger blood flow to the tissues involved in morning erections. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these points matter and how to use them safely and naturally. Let's begin. As men move into their 50s, the body changes in quiet ways. You may still feel young, active, and capable, yet certain functions that once happened automatically start to feel different. Morning erections are one of them, and it's not just about sex. A strong morning erection is actually a sign of healthy blood flow, balanced hormones, and responsive nerves. When it becomes weaker, slower, or inconsistent, it's often your body's first whisper that something needs attention. But here's what I want you to hear clearly. This is extremely common, and it doesn't mean you're losing your masculinity or getting old too fast. It simply means your body is adapting, sometimes faster than you expect. Think about your daily life. Stress builds up, sleep becomes lighter, testosterone naturally drops a little each year, muscles around the pelvis get tighter from sitting, circulation slows because of long workdays, less movement, or more pressure on the lower back. All of these small changes add up, and eventually you may wake up one morning wondering, why doesn't my body feel as responsive as before? Have you ever had that thought? Some men try to ignore the issue, others blame themselves, but most don't realize that the nerves supplying the penis and the blood vessels that support those morning erections run through areas that easily become tense or restricted. This tension builds quietly. You don't feel it, but your erections do. The good news is that your body is not failing. It's simply signaling that it needs a little help, a bit more circulation, a touch more relaxation, a reset of the nerve pathways that support arousal and nighttime erections. And that's where the 3 pressure points come in. They're not magic, they're not a shortcut, they're just a simple way to remind your body how to function the way it's meant to. In a moment, I'll walk you through them step by step so you can start restoring strength, confidence, and natural morning vitality. Now let's go through the 3 pressure points that can help support stronger, healthier morning erections. These are simple, gentle techniques. They're based on how nerves, blood vessels, and pelvic muscles respond to touch and relaxation. They're safe for most men, but always listen to your body. If anything feels uncomfortable, soften the pressure or stop. I'll guide you slowly, step by step. Follow along and notice how your body responds over the next few days. First point, the pelvic release point. This one sits just inside your hip bone, a few centimeters toward the center of your lower abdomen. If you press lightly, you'll feel a tender or tight area. That's normal. This point affects the iliopsoas muscle, a deep muscle that becomes tight from long sitting. When this area is tense, it can compress blood vessels and nerves that travel toward the pelvis. Here's how to work on it. Place 2 fingers on the inside of your hip bone. Press gently inward and slightly down. You should feel mild pressure, not pain. Hold for 20 seconds, breathing slowly, then release. Repeat on the other side. Why it helps. When this muscle softens, circulation improves, the pelvic nerves relax, and the tissues that support spontaneous erections receive better blood flow during sleep. It's a subtle change, but many men feel lighter and more open in their hips right away. Think of it as clearing the road so your body can do what it naturally wants to do. Second point, the perineal activation point. This point sits between the scrotum and the anus in an area called the perineum. It's a key location because it connects directly with the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles support erections, urinary flow, and even the angle of your morning tumescence. Most men don't realize that these muscles become tight, not weak, even as they age. Stress, sitting, and lower back tension cause the area to clamp down. When that happens, the blood vessels that supply the penis can't fully open. To stimulate this point, sit on a soft surface. Use your fingertip or the knuckle of your thumb. Press gently upward into the center of the perineum. Hold for 10-15 seconds. Breathe slowly and allow the muscles to soften around your finger. You might feel a warm or spreading sensation. Some describe a gentle release. That's your pelvic floor relaxing, improving the pressure system that supports erections. Think of this point as the activation switch. It tells the pelvic nerves, relax, open up, allow more blood to flow. This helps set the stage for healthier nighttime and morning erections when the body naturally increases blood flow during REM sleep. Third point, the lower back nerve point. This one is on your lower back, on either side of your spine, about 2 finger widths from the center. These points lie over the lumbar nerves, the same nerves that supply the pelvis and the erectile tissues. When these nerves get compressed from tight back muscles or long hours of sitting, the signals to the penis weaken. You may still feel desire, but the physical response feels slower or softer. Working on this point is simple. Place your thumbs or fingertips on either side of your spine, around the level of your waistband. Press gently inward toward the muscles, not the bone. Hold for 20-30 seconds. If you feel tightness or tenderness, breathe slowly until the area softens. You can do this standing, sitting, or lying down. Some men prefer using a tennis ball against a wall for even pressure. Why it helps? Releasing these muscles reduces nerve compression. It restores the communication between your brain, your spinal cord, and your pelvic nerves. This can support better nighttime erectile reflexes, the very ones responsible for morning erections. How to combine all 3 points. Individually, each point helps a different part of the pelvic system. Together, they create a simple 2-minute routine that supports blood flow, nerve health, and muscle relaxation. Here's a pattern many men find effective. Start with the hip points. Open circulation from above. Move to the perineum. Relax the pelvic floor. Finish with the lower back. Ease nerve tension from behind. Do this once a day. Some men prefer the evening because it prepares the body for nighttime erections, which occur naturally during sleep. Others do it in the morning to reduce stiffness and improve comfort throughout the day. Either is fine. Remember, we're not forcing the body. We're restoring balance so it can work the way it's designed to. A gentle reminder. If you're over 50, these changes are normal. Your body isn't failing. It's simply asking for support. By stimulating these points, you're helping your circulation, your nerves, and your natural response system reconnect. Be patient with yourself. Most men notice subtle improvements within a week. Some notice changes even sooner, and always listen to your body. The goal is calmness, relaxation, and gentle restoration, not force. Let's move to the recap, so you remember exactly how to use these points safely and effectively. Let's take a moment to bring everything together. You've learned 3 simple pressure points, and each serves a specific purpose. They work with your body, not against it, and they support the natural processes that create healthy morning erections. First, you learned about the pelvic release point near the inside of your hip bone. This point helps relax deep tension from long hours of sitting or daily stress. When that muscle softens, blood can flow more freely towards your pelvis. It's a gentle reminder to your body that circulation matters, especially to the tissues that support firmness overnight. Then we moved to the perineal activation point. It sits right between the scrotum and the anus, an area most men never think about. But it's one of the most important regions for erectile health. When you apply light pressure there, you help the pelvic floor relax. A relaxed pelvic floor improves blood flow, nerve signals, and the natural pressure that supports stronger morning erections. It's one of the quickest ways to tell your body it's okay to open up and let things function normally. Finally, you learned the lower back nerve point. These muscles often tighten quietly, especially in men over 50. When they do, they restrict the nerves that help trigger nighttime erections. Releasing these points improves communication between the brain and the pelvic area. It restores the natural reflexes your body depends on during sleep. Together, these 3 points form a simple 2-minute routine. Nothing intense, nothing complicated, just gentle pressure, slow breathing, and a quiet moment of awareness for your body. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Your body responds to what you do regularly, not occasionally. If you feel frustrated or discouraged, take a breath. Changes like these take time, but they're absolutely possible. Always listen to your body and approach these techniques with patience and curiosity. You're supporting your circulation, your nerves, your confidence, and your overall vitality. Your health is a long-term relationship. Treat it with care, treat it with respect, and it will respond. In the next section, I'll wrap up with a calm and simple reminder for your next steps. You're doing well. Keep going. Before we finish, I want to leave you with one simple message. Your body is always trying to work with you, not against you. When you give it a little support, a little attention, it responds in ways that can genuinely improve your confidence, energy, and overall sense of vitality. So if you found these 3 points helpful, stay consistent. Give your body that gentle 2-minute routine each day. Small steps often create the biggest changes when it comes to men's health, especially after 50. And if you'd like more doctor-led guidance on erections, hormones, circulation, and aging well, I invite you to subscribe to this channel. This community is built on calm, clear, trustworthy medical information, explained in a way that respects you and supports you. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Take care of your health, take care of your confidence, and I'll see you in the next video.